सीधे कांग्रेस की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ले चलते हैं।
उसी में जुटे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक बार भी ये नहीं देश को बताने की चेष्टा करी या कृपा करी कि 2014 में जो कहा था वो क्या हुआ और देश के हालात अगर खराब हुए उसकी जवाबदेही किसकी है, उसकी जिम्मेवारी किसकी है। As I've said that the leadership of the Indian National Congress has been deliberating upon the campaign of the Congress few days ago, on 2nd to be precise, last Tuesday, the Congress President has given the manifesto of the Indian National Congress, which was unveiled before the people of India. While preparing for the publicity campaign and talking to the various stakeholders across the country, the members of the committee, the subgroups, had interacted with farmers groups, with citizens groups, with our students, faculties in the universities, lawyers groups, civil rights groups, just to assess as to what the feelings are and what would they expect to hear from the Congress when it comes to their aspirations and their expectations, and also the bitter experience that a vast majority of our citizens have because of 5 years of big talk, non-performance, non-deliverance on assurances, and betrayal of the promises that Shri Narendra Modi had made in 2014. It's very clear that there is a cry for justice in this country which has been denied to the poor, to the youth, to the farmers of India, to the women who are oppressed, an environment of fear and distrust that has been created, subversion of institutions in the country, assault on the foundational values of the Constitution. There is despair. Therefore, the Indian National Congress campaign focuses on justice. And this word embraces all. It's not in the limited context of what we have promised, the big promise to the poor of the country. That's the Nyuntam Aay Yojana. But it's also promising justice to the farmer, justice to the youth, justice to the entrepreneurs, justice to those who want a better future.